Hello, hope you're having an awesome day. It's really hot here today, so we thought, oh, it would be a great idea to draw something which is kind of hot. So I'm going to draw a cactus, which, you know, cactuses normally live in deserts, where deserts are hot, so we thought, oh, okay, this will be a good video for today. Alrighty, so I hope you got your paper and your drawing material, like a marker or pen ready, and let's get started drawing our cute cactus. Okay, so let's draw our cactus. We're going to draw the head or the body part, and it's just one big, kind of like an upside down U. So let's start from this side here, and we'll go up, and then nice big round curve along the top, and then back down and stop about the same side. So there you go, that is his head. Alright, now on the side we're going to draw, I guess, yeah, cactuses have other little parts of the cactus growing out, but we're going to make it look like it's his arms and some hands. So to do that, we're going to draw just a little curve here in the corner, very small, and then we're going to draw another similar shape to this, but thinner and smaller. And we'll stop about there. Yep. And then we're going to draw another curve which is going to stop about here. Just like that. And then we can do the same on the other side. If you wanted to, you can do the same length, or you can make it shorter or longer, but I think we'll try and do it the same length. Cool, there we go. And then the last little part, we're going to draw just another little part on the bottom there. And so we're going to draw a little line. We're going to go curve it in, and then go along all the bottom along here. It'll curve and join up there. So that's pretty much the cactus shape. So we're going to add some details to it. I think it'll be funny on these parts here to add a little bit of a flower, because sometimes cactuses have flowers and it'll kind of make it look like it's got fingers or a hand. So we're going to make a shape like this. And we can colour it in nice and bright colours and do it on the other side. So you can see that kind of looks like his fingers. Alright, now the next part is let's draw his face. So I think we're going to do it down, you can draw it anywhere you like. I think normally if you draw it down the middle, down the bottom, it looks extra cute. So I'm going to keep my eyes really simple. It's just a nice round oval shape like that. And then when I colour it in, I'm just going to leave the top part white there, so it adds a bit of reflection to it. And then we do one over here as well. And you can experiment with different types of eyes, different sizes, and also the positioning as well, maybe wider or closer together. So yours are a little bit wider and mine a little bit closer, and it changes the whole look of the character. Alrighty, and the next thing we're going to do is a smile. So you can do a simple smile like this. It's a nice U shape. Or if you wanted to, you can close that off and then add another curve in there so it looks like his mouth is open. There we go. Alrighty, so this is starting to look good, but it's got one thing that's missing from a cactus. And what does a cactus have? Spikes! Yes, that's right. So let's draw some spikes. So first, the spikes we're going to draw are on the outside, so they're kind of sticking out. So you can put a few random spikes there along the edges, as many or as few as you like. You can make it extra spiky or less spiky. Cool. And then we draw some on the inside as well. The inside, what I normally do is just vertical lines randomly wherever you like. And again, you can experiment with the size and the number of spikes as well. So the more you have, the spikier he looks. And this is a real simple spike that you can draw. That is looking really awesome. Nice job. Alrighty, so there we go. There's the outline of our cute cactus, and you can just leave it like that, but we're going to colour it in. Alright, and we've finished colouring in, and we've both coloured it in green, different colour green. Most cactuses are green, but if you want to colour it in differently, you can. And we coloured in our little flowers pink as well, but again, you can colour them in any way you want. If you wanted to, you can add other details. Maybe you can have them sitting in like a little pot, or maybe you can give them a hat or something else cute as well, but yeah, just use your imagination. Well, I hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing our cute little cactus. We've got lots of cute little characters and other drawing things for you to draw and colour in, so check out our channel and have lots of fun. See you next time. Bye!